Okay, we're currently live doing lab number 2, project number 2. So the first thing you do in project number 2 is you hook up your MicroLogic 1000. So you need to have power to it. You need to go back a little bit because you go all the way to, yeah, that's good. You have to have power to it, and you have to have your communication cable hooked up to it. Okay, so we've done that, so we're going to set that aside. And the communication cable has to go to the computer, naturally. Okay, now we're going to go into all programs, look for Rockwell Software, go to RS Link, go to RS Link Classic, and what we need, squiggly line in the middle, yes, there we go. And you notice that we have a driver already, and the driver is the DF1 driver for RS-232. If we go up to add new, we see that it's the second one on our list. But it's already there, it's already running, so that's good. We are going to configure the driver, and we're going to go to Auto Configure. Notice that the auto configure is successful, so now we have communications. Without communications to the processor, there's no reason to be talking to it. So now we have communications. We can go OK there. We can close that one. We can minimize that. The RS Link has to be running in the background in order for the program to work. Okay, now we're going to go Rockwell Software, Rockwell RS Logic 500 English, and again on the right icon, click. Now we're coming up in the 5000 program. We're going to maximize the program. And then we're going to open project 2. Now in this room, just like in L124, when these machines get turned off at night, the C drive goes away and gets reconfigured to what it was. So we...
you want to say the backup thing?
No. Oh yes. Never open the backup. Always open something that doesn't say backup, because that's the most current program. So we're opening around project 2. We're going to make sure, we notice that our driver is a DF1 driver, and we're node 1. The DF1 driver is always node 1.
You want to go through?
So that's the way that is.
Controller properties.
Yeah, go to controller properties. If you don't have controller communications, if you don't have the right driver there, then that's where you would go get it. There is an apply button there. When Alan Bradley gives you an apply and an OK, always hit the apply button first.
It's supposed to be node 1.
And it's supposed to be node 1. If it's not, you won't be able to talk to him. Say OK. Now we're going to download the program to the processor. We're going to write in a comment here. My instructor is awesome. Spelled correctly. Or not. Doesn't matter. No one's ever going to read the comment again. I'm not sure exactly what was written there, but my trifocals won't let me. Okay, go ahead. Say okay.
Good thing.
Good thing. All right. We say yes.
Awesome.
Yeah. And now we, yes, back to run. So now it's going to load, and we're going to go to run.
Excuse me. I have the...
And now we're going to go back to, we're going to go
I
online.
won't focus on it.
Yeah. So now we see that we have a red light and a green light on in 3 and 4. Now the yellow light's coming on. Now we're switching our directions, red and green, the other way. And we can wait the 18 seconds for that to happen, or we can speed up the process by typing in 1800, which might actually be slower than waiting for it. but now we go back the other way. And did the yellow light come on that time?
No.
I don't remember the yellow light coming on. Okay, so here we come. We're up to 19, we're up to 20, the yellow light's coming on. We're switching the other way. Now we're at 7 seconds, looking for 18. We're at 11 seconds, looking for 18. We're at 16 seconds, looking for 18. Now we
Yeah,
switched
yellow
to
came
yellow
on.
light. The yellow light come in and went the other way. So this is a red light program, project number 2, running on the hardware. Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, my arm's getting tired. So I gotta